So let's create our error messages that we can show in our page. We know that we have a partials and we have a file with errors. And here we will create a div. So with class, and we'll create a style, and the style text align will be center, and another div. Okay, so if we will use a blade, if session, every message that we will create after performing a task, it will be stored in a session. So we can use a session. So you see we have a session all, get, put, key, push, flush. So we will use a session has helper method session, and we will give a string if it is a message, and so we will end if, and if, and we will say if session has a message, so create a div with the class alert, and alert success bootstrap alert message. So, and we will blade our syntax. So session has session get now. So to get what to get message, to display the session message. So it will display the message, and so if one condition, if it is a success message, so it will display a alert success. And if session has if session has error, so and if, and the div class will be alert and alert danger. So it's a bootstrap class danger. And here we will use a blade syntax and we'll say session get the string error. So it will display, and you can see in our main, if I show you the main layout, so in a main layout we are where it is, we are including the partials. So and will be error files included before our content. So it will show top of the our content. So to close it and save it. So we have a two field, message and error. So when we redirect, say return redirect back to the same page where the request comes from with this string with this message name, so it will be a success. If you create a success, so we have to mention it in here, so it will be success. Here also success, and I am using only just message, and it will be a success message. So and the name, the string, the other parameter that will give the default that you want to make. So new company created, it will show you. Okay, let's check to our browser and make sure that database is empty. Refresh, so company table is empty, and come to our browser again, change company and go to add new company, and this time If I submit a blank, so it will read that and validating, and now refresh again one more time and submit our company, which is online Rana. And when we submit, so it is redirecting back to that page, and the message, success message, is new company created. So our error message is also working, and it is sending back to the page, same page, and we are displaying this error message. If session has a message, so the message is this one, new company created. If the session has a message and div, create a div class alert success, and show the session message that you have in your session. So it is now showing the message of session, and the text is aligned center because we have used div with text aligned center. So, and let's check to in our database, the company is created or not. So see a company with the user ID, the user, the currently authenticated, currently logged in user. So currently logged in user is, we can see in our user is the Rana. See, so it's a Rana whose ID is 1, and we have ID, that ID in our company's ID. So this user has created this company online Rana. Also, it makes sense, and stay tuned. We'll see you in the next video. And other way to sending the data to save a farm data into our database.